This is how I use Clik to eliminate 90% of the time I spend editing each cooking video I create. First, you go to the landing page, hit start for free. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to create a new project called Clik Cooking Demo. First thing you need to do is upload all of your raw footage. After you begin your upload, you'll be prompted to put in some details about the video that you want to create. Cooking video, rough cut, go for about 1:30 here. For pacing, about 1.5 seconds. I'll show you in a moment. I uploaded several different camera angles. I was recording on my iPhone, which was my main camera for the core cooking video, but I was also recording behind the scenes on my Ray-Ban Meta. Instead of having to deal with sorting all these files, I can just explain that I only want to include clips from the main camera. Here I have my prompt in. This is actually a bit specific. If you just have one camera angle and one recipe, you actually don't really need to type anything here, because you'll see when you hit continue, it will go ahead and enhance your prompt based on the context you gave it, as well as what it knows about viral cooking videos. And now I'm just waiting for it to process. This is actually when our AI is dissecting and understanding everything that's happening in your footage. Footage is now done uploading. It took a few minutes to process. You can see your prompt here that kind of kicks off the project. And it's actually starting to construct the outline of the video now. Okay, and just like that, I have a rough draft of a cooking video. I went from 1.5 hours of footage to 2 minutes of moments that matter. So you can see that with almost no active work, I have a video that I would say is 80 to 90% done. Let's also kind of change the structure of the video a little bit. I want to move some of the final plating to the beginning to kind of make this feel like a loop. Let's check out this final plating in the beginning. All right, included quite a few clips of sauce. That's okay. And then boom, right into the recipe. Let's say it completely missed something. I can search for it. Didn't quite get the grading, the Parmesan shot I want. So let's look for that. And cool, we got that. Go ahead and just drag it in. I pretty much have the storyline I want. I'm just gonna go through and just adjust the pacing. Fast forward, I've adjusted all the pacing as I please. And at this point, I would export an MP4 and I would go add finishing touches in CapCut. This is where I like to add title cards, music, things like that. More bells and whistles coming to Clik soon so that you can get to that final video all in Clik. But right now, it really functions as your assistant. And there's actually more you can do with this intelligence than just have it make a video for you. I've never written this recipe out. It's just a recipe that I know by heart because I cook this all the time. My sister-in-law asked for the recipe, so I just went to my assistant and said, hey, don't change the timeline, just reply with text, give me the recipe, please. And because it has all of the raw footage and understands it with like just an insane amount of depth, it can basically write the recipe for me.